Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot, a 70mm site with single-axis trackers consistently underperformed by 6 to 8%. Every audit blamed weather or soiling. One day, an operator manually checked tracker angles at solar noon. The trackers were 12 degrees off optimal. Controller firmware had corrupted 6 months prior. Trackers were moving but not accurately. Visual inspection looked fine because the trackers were tilting. But angles were wrong, and 6 months at 12 degrees off cost €310,000 in lost production. The fix was firmware reflash and recalibration completed in 2 days. Problem solved. Today I will show how to verify your trackers are actually tracking correctly, not just moving. Tracker failures are usually obvious, like motor failure or alarms. But tracker miscalibration is silent because the tracker moves through its arc. Yet angles are wrong by 5 to 15 degrees. At 12 degrees off, you lose 6 to 10% of potential production depending on time of day and season. Nobody notices because the tracker is moving and SCADA logs show tracking mode active. Only manual angle verification or detailed production versus irradiance analysis reveals the truth. How does this happen? Firmware bugs, corrupted calibration tables, or incorrect site coordinates caused fallback to open-loop tracking. Once miscalibrated, a tracker stays wrong until someone physically checks angles. SCADA alarms when trackers do not move, or motors fault, but SCADA does not verify angle accuracy. A tracker commanded to 35 degrees that actually sits at 23 degrees looks fine to SCADA. Only comparing sun position to actual tracker angle catches this. Most operators never do this verification after commissioning and assume if it moves, it is correct. Here's how to verify tracker accuracy. Step 1: manual angle verification at solar noon with an inclinometer. Step 2: production verification. Compare actual production to modeled production under current irradiance and tracker angles. Step 3: controller audit. Check latitude, longitude, time zone, and calibration offsets for errors. Step 4: firmware validation. Verify firmware version versus manufacturer's latest stable release and reflash if needed. Step 5: full recalibration. Run the manufacturer's calibration procedure to reset offsets and verify motor limits. Step 6: ongoing validation. Monthly tracker verification and quarterly physical inspections automate where possible. Manual angle verification plus production modeling catches 5 to 15 degree errors that cost €200,000 to €400,000 per year. Your trackers are probably wrong right now by 3 to 8 degrees, and SCADA thinks everything is fine. Schedule a free tracker accuracy audit, including physical angle verification, production, modeling, controller, review, and recalibration. Most sites with single-axis trackers discover 3 to 12 degree miscalibrations in at least one zone after 2 to 3 years of operation. First, 12 operators to book receive a tracker validation protocol and quarterly check checklist. A 70mm site lost €310,000 over 6 months because trackers were moving but angles were 12 degrees off, and SCADA showed tracking active. Manual verification revealed firmware corruption, and here is how to catch this. Take action now and schedule your free tracker accuracy audit. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.